Hello, and in this video we're going to show you how you can access your professional business email through a web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, etc. It's a great way to be able to access your professional business email on the move if you haven't already got it set up on your phone or if you haven't got an email client. So we're going to jump right into it. First of all, load up your web browser. Then in the URL bar, you want to type server.thewebdesignergroup.com/webmail. You'll then be presented with a screen which looks like this. This is where you enter your email address. For this purpose of the video, we've created a test email address, so I'm just going to put that in. And in the password, you enter the password. Now, if you're not sure if you've entered the password correctly, you can click the little eye looking icon and that will display the password. Then once you've done that, click login. You'll then be presented with this screen. Now, quite simply, it doesn't matter whether you click on Horde or Roundcube. All it is a slightly different interface. One is more of a green and one is more of a blue, but you can switch between the two. It just depends on your personal preference. So in this case, we're just going to click Horde and you're into your email. Now, let's just say you wanted to see what the other interface looked like. If you click on your name and then click Roundcube, this is what the Roundcube interface looks like. Now, you can also adjust your settings by simply clicking on the settings tab, and you can change certain things like when messages are marked as read. You can see whether you want HTML, which means quite simply images and things like that, whether you want to see them all the time. I would recommend setting that to always. You can also set your signature, and you can also add folders on the left hand side. So for example, if I want to create a folder called the Web Designer Group, I would do so by setting a name and click save. And if we go back to mail, you'll see that folder's now appeared there. So I can file all the emails from the Web Designer Group straight into that folder. Now, to compose a message, quite simply click compose and then enter the email address that you want to send an email to. Enter your subject here. And then here below, this is where you enter your email. Now, if you want to have a really nicely formatted email, you can change this bit here from editor type to HTML, and you'll get all the format options just like Microsoft Words. So if I was to type an email, so if I wanted to make the support team bold, I can just do that by simply doing that. Now, if I want to attach any attachments, I would recommend clicking this, and then you can attach whatever file you want. Now, just be careful when you're attaching files, because other email providers like Gmail, Hotmail, etc., they won't accept any emails which are sent to them which are larger than 7 to 8 meg. So if you're unsure on the side or you need a little bit of help, give us a call and we'll be able to advise you accordingly. Now, once you've done that, you can click whether you want a return receipt or a delivery status notification and then click send. Once you click send, if you click on sent items, you'll see there's our email that we sent out just now. And this is a great way to be able to access your email on the move, and also a great way to be able to access it. Let's just say your laptop battery's died, or you want to borrow a friend's iPad or what have you. You can easily log in and still have full access to your emails. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thank you.